Welcome to America's Choice Gourmet. My name is John with America's Choice Gourmet. I'm the owner-operator for the past 11 years. We've been serving Wilmington the highest grade of protein around. Well, the reason I started America's Choice Gourmet is because ultimately I wanted to be in charge of deciding what my company offered. As a protein company, I wanted to have the absolute best, and as the owner-operator, I'm allowed to do that. So back in 2011, we started off as a wholesale company where we would provide protein to restaurants and food trucks and things of that nature. And then 3 years ago, we started selling a little bit to the public. We had an ordering window up front. And then last year, it started to take off so much that we turned it into a store where now the public can come in and buy food at wholesale prices. We offer steaks, chicken, seafood, pork, exotic meats, Wagyu, family bundles. We really have a bit of everything here. When you come into America's Choice Gourmet, you're going to receive a personalized custom experience where we're going to take you through all of our proteins and find out which proteins are going to be best for you and your family. We also show you how to cook said products. We can taste or try any of our sauces or dry rubs. I will also carry the products out to your trunk and load them in your car for you. You always have the owner's cell phone number if you need me, and we will make sure you have the best shopping experience at America's Choice Gourmet. If you are ever in the need for any sort of protein, stop on by America's Choice Gourmet. I will make sure you have the best protein for your home and your needs.